Namaste, it's me Sandeep Khattoda. Today we are going to present a presentation on our project overview of our project eClassroom. This eClassroom is for educational institutions of Nepal where schools have been shut down due to COVID-19. Schools are using Zoom to run the online classes in Nepal. So he proposed a classroom system where teachers and students can do learning activity. We will be using CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and PHP for the development of the project and Agile methodology. This project is to facilitate the education institution so teachers can assign homework to the student and student can upload their work. So I like to hand over Achal.
Hello everyone, I am Achal Khatri and I will be discussing more about our presentation that's based on eClassroom, which we have decided to choose because of the ongoing situation of COVID-19. Because of COVID-19, the educational institute are shut down for face-to-face classes and have begun with online classes, but the educational institute are pressurized to offer the best online platform, and the future and the career of students are in dismay. Some of the institute are not able to provide the best online platform because they can't afford it, but we have came up with a solution for these kinds of institution. We have created a platform for the students and teacher where they can learn and teach both. The teacher can upload the assignments and they can even do the attendance, and the student can browse the assignment and submit the assignment. Both teacher and student can access the system in their own time. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Achal. Hi everyone, my name is Gaurav Chaudhary and my student ID is 190311. Here I am going to describe about some of the slides, that is index page, login page, student dashboard and teacher dashboard respectively. As here you can see the some of the slides, that is index page and login page and the student dashboard and the teacher dashboard. Talking about the index page, it is used for login purpose so that student and teacher can log into their dashboard or the Moodle, and then after you can go to the login page. If the teacher or student have their own ID, so they can log into the page, but if not, then they have to go to the new registration and have to log in. And after that, if the student makes login through the student dashboard, then they can see different buttons such as subjects along with the assignments and routine and materials and many more other buttons. But if teacher makes the login through the teacher dashboard, then he can access to the respective subject which the teacher teaches, and so they can make the essays easily. And for further details, I would like to hand over to my friend Raju. Thank you.
It's me, Raj. Today I'm going to talk about the advantage of eClassroom. An online system helps to facilitate the learning process of teacher and student in an excellent way. It helps in creating and communicating new training policy concepts and ideas. The student can browse their learning materials anytime and anywhere, which would allow them the time flexibility, and also teacher can offer various material to the student in very short period of time. The system has to reduce cost and make study much more effective. Learning through this mode happen quickly and easily, which has to reduce cost. The online platform would help the student and give the best outcome as they can browse the materials at their most feasible time. That's it for my part. Now I'd like to call my friend Pawanpreet for further presentation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pawanpreet Singh and I am one of the member of my team, and my student ID is 180137, and I am talking about the Gantt project in Excel. In this Gantt project we can name the project names like the different work, and then the begin date, end date and the duration of that project. And I start with the begin date with the project idea, and then it ends in 4 days of duration in July 15, and then software requirement specification and so on until final project, which ends in 9/27/21. And that is my part in project.
Hello everyone, it's Sanjay Shrestha here. I'm gonna talk about RACI matrix. It's the last slide of our presentation, and RACI matrix is a diagram that identifies the key roles and responsibilities of a user within a task or within a project, where R stands for responsible, A stands for accountable, C stands for consultant, and I stands for informed. The responsible people are the member who does the task, and accountable member are the one giving valuable insight on the task. Consulted are the one who create ideas or and those ideas are consulted or considered within a project. And the informed is the member who kept in a loop about the progress of the task. Here we have done the same thing within our 6 members. Some have been creating ideas, some have been responsible for doing the tasks, some have been accountable, and some have been consulted. Thank you very much.